Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you a full tutorial on how you can use AdCreative AI. First thing is first, what you need to do is sign up. You can use the link in the description. Okay, click here, sign up today. You can get 10 free downloads, 7-day free trial. And on this page, it'll ask you for your payment information, but don't worry, you can cancel it within 7 days and also send you a trial reminder on a day 5. And it only takes about 10 seconds to cancel. Okay. Now, once you sign up, you will be on this dashboard and I am on my trial. So what you first need to do is set up a brand. Right here, you can click on the brands and you can either import from a website or do everything manually, right? So let me go ahead and get this as an example. So I'll take the link to clipmagic.com, paste this, and click on import brand. And now AdCreative is scanning this website for details. So I'm going to wait and let it do its thing. All right, so as we can see, it has picked up some things here. So I picked up the name as Clip Magic, and here we go. It did pick up a pretty good product description, which I like this one. So this is okay. Scroll down. Let's see, brand logo. It did not quite pick up the brand logo. So what we will do is we'll go in and upload the logo manually. That is okay. That's not a big deal. And the brand colors was not correctly picked up, so we'll do that as well. Okay. Okay, so I got the logo, and it's preferably that you use a transparent background, okay, in your logo. So I'll go ahead and take this logo, put it right here. And here we go. Now you can go ahead and click on save and continue. We'll pick up that brand logo, right? So come here, click on the logo and click on confirm logo. And you should see it has changed our whole branding. And if you're okay with that, you can continue with that, or you can come here and choose from their AI recommended color palettes. But what it did for us is perfectly fine. So I can go ahead and click on save and continue. Now we have our brand set up, right? So you can go ahead and click on create brand. And of course, if you want, you can connect your ad account. Okay, we have Meta ads, which is basically for Facebook and Instagram. We have LinkedIn ads. We have Google ads, which you can do for both Google and YouTube. And we also have Pinterest ads. Okay, you can connect those if you want right now. But what I'll first do is go ahead and create our brand. And now AdCreative is creating our brand. So as you can see here, now we can start generating advertising assets. So I'm going to go ahead and skip this process for now, but basically they use their AI models to do this for you. Now here, we will select what kind of ad asset we want to generate. So you can generate, static ads, video ads, text ads, okay, things like that. Now you can come here and scroll down. You have batch creatives where they generate, batches of ads where they upload multiple product or background images for basically a single project. We have storytelling ads, fashion photo shoots. We also have a buyer persona they create for you, right? So you can target your ideal audience. And we also have some product videos, so you can go ahead and choose. Let me go ahead and give you an example now. Okay, so what would actually work well with our, tool would be an ad creative. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this option right here. And now you choose what kind of size you want to pick. It depends on what social media you are going to post this on. If you're doing maybe a story, you can choose story size. If you want to make a Pinterest pin, you can choose something like this. Or if you want to make a banner, you can do these. So I'll do a normal post size. Go click on next step. Okay. Now here, you can go ahead and generate text using their AI once it knows your product and target audience. And of course, you can write your own as well. and this would be what the sample would look like. So come here, click on generate text, and now here it shows what data it's going to be using. So this is going to be our landing page or website. This is our product service name. Of course, we want the tone to be professional for this kind of tool. And the language, I will be choosing English. They have other languages as well. You can go ahead and choose. So this is our product or service description. This is a good, call to action as well. Nice catch lines. So our target audience is content creators, which it picked up on its own, which is really, really good. I'm going to click on save and generate. Let's see what AdCreative AI comes up with. All right, so this is going to be our main headline. So are you struggling to go viral? Boost video engagement fast. Boost views now, call to action. That's the call to action. I think that is very good. And what we would need is now a background image, of course, for our, post. So I'll come here, click on next step. I'm really happy with that. So we'll give our project a name first. Okay. We'll choose post 1. Okay. That will be our name. Of course, you can go ahead and do the background image process now. So you can either pick something from your library or you can search for images, okay? Or even drag and drop from your downloads. So I'm going to go ahead and search for images. Now we can search in their database, or what you can do is you can use their AI recommendations. So, well, this tool does do video captions and it does do viral videos. So I'll do content creators or viral videos. Let's do viral videos for now. For this post, let's see what AdCreative comes up with. All right, here we go. We have different images right here that is coming up, which I'm not that happy with. So I'll remove this. Honestly, let's get rid of this. I'm not that happy with this one. So we will wait for this again. Let's do content creators now. Let's see what it shows up. Okay, this one seems decent. All right. Well, one of the main selling points with this is captions, and let's just do viral captions here. Guys, I found something perfect. So it is to do with the video editing. So we're saving that time with video editing. So I'm going to go ahead and select this picture right here. I think this is perfect. All right, that looks good. So you can go ahead and crop that image if you want, right? And then you can go ahead and generate this image. So what is happening now is the AI is analyzing our text and background image, and it will generate an ad creative for us, okay? And here we go, guys. We have generated some ad creatives. I really like this one. Okay, that one is really good. And of course, this one's really nice as well. So what happens is basically, honestly, okay, these ones I like. So it generates about 150, ad creatives for you, which you can go ahead and download with just a click of the button. Of course, if you want to just edit this one, you can edit this one further. I think this one is perfect, guys. Yeah, let's do this one. You can go ahead and edit this further if you want. You can change your text input, background image as well, or you can use the Creative Studio Editor where you basically move things around using the visual editor, or you can just come here and click on download if you're happy with this. Just click on this option and we'll start downloading automatically. As you can see, let me open this up in a new tab. Look at that quality, really, really clean, professionally done in a matter of seconds. Now, here you'll also see your conversion scores that they think these posts will have. And the higher the conversion score, the more likely you are to convert. And if you want more, what you need to do exactly is come back here and click on generate, right? And of course, you can go ahead and create more brands. So if I come back to brands, they let you have up to 5 brands, which you can go ahead and create ads for. So if you want another, AI generative asset, add creative, you can come here back to this page, choose something else, and repeat the same process. Really easy and simple, just takes barely a minute.